Hello friends, welcome to another interesting video on my YouTube channel Jave where I share informative ways to earn money online without any investments. The only investment is your time and some dedication. Please make sure to support me by hitting on the subscribe button below, and also hit the notification bell, so you get notified whenever I post new and informative videos like these. Today, I'll be sharing with you a new TRX mining site, where you can mine TRX for free without any investment. Without wasting much time, let's head to our Trust wallet or any other wallet suitable to copy our TRX wallet address. Look for TRX and click on it. Click on Receive to copy the address. After copying the address which we would be using in a few, let's head to our mining site, trxminingfarm.com. Don't worry, I will put link in description below. The site should look like these, and not to make the video long, click on the sign up button at your top right corner to create our free account. Scroll down and enter your full name, email address, password, and set your security question and answer. Now, we will paste our TRX address that we copied earlier. Check the I'm not a robot box and agree to the terms and conditions of the site and click on register to create our account. Well, we then need to log in to our newly created account. After logging in, these should be your dashboard, except I started mining for the sake of the video. As you can see, the site is filled with tips and tricks to maximize your earnings, which I will show you if you stick till the end. Now that we've started mining already, we can also purchase contracts or packages that will maximize our earnings exponentially. With the first package going for 200 TRX, which will give you 22.2 TRX daily, and it will last for 10 days. If my calculation is right, you will be making about 222 TRX. Isn't that fun? But please, I'm not in any way a financial advisor. I'm just some random guy who likes to make money online. To withdraw our earnings, click on the Withdraw Funds button on the left side of the site. You can receive your payment through Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, TRX, and many more. As you can see, I have 0.3 TRX in Litecoin, and to withdraw, click on the select bar at the right side of the currency you want to withdraw. Enter the amount to withdraw and click on Request Withdrawal. And that's all I have for today. See you in the next one with more updates. Bye.